Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Kaylee, the Engagement Specialist here at TribalHub. We're excited to bring you these short Q&A conversations where we highlight real-world insights from industry leaders and partners who are doing great work in this space. Today, I'm joined by John White, and we're looking forward to sharing some practical perspectives with you.
I am John White, Executive Vice President and CTO of Signature Systems. I've been in the IT space for around 25 years now. I joined SSI back in 2008, and I've held various roles within the organization and took over as CTO back in 2015. My primary responsibility is to oversee our operations and set our technology strategy so that we can align our hospitality software solutions with our business goals.
Awesome. Well, we're excited to have you here today. Let's jump right into the first question. What challenge are you most often hearing from tribal leaders this year?
Aside from SSI, we hear a lot about point of sale support. It seems a lot of the major players are primarily offshoring their support to India and Singapore, which leaves operators dealing with major time differences, language barriers that can lead to misunderstandings, repeated explanations, or incorrect solutions, which typically piles onto an already frustrating operator or situation. And I think the last thing that you want to be dealing with are those kinds of problems, particularly when it's a urgent revenue impacting situation.
Thank you so much for that perspective. Building on that, how is your organization helping tribes get ahead of this challenge and not just react to it?
Sure. Signature Systems, all of our employees have a W-2. All of our support is 24/7, and we are 100% domestically based. The company is based out of Warminster, Pennsylvania, which is about 30 minutes, 45 minutes outside of Center City, Philadelphia. We do try to strive to stay ahead of challenges by having proactive calls with our customers, seeing if there are any issues that we can assist of before they become huge problems, as well as keeping them updated on our latest releases and features that we have. One of the unique things that we have about us is our development and support are under the same roof, and they're actually walking distance from each other. So that kind of leads us to have very fast rate escalation when frontline support teams resolve technical issues that require code changes or changes in software that are required to address issues.
That is so awesome, John. This has been such a great conversation, and you shared some really valuable insights. Before we wrap up, is there any final advice or takeaway you'd like to leave our viewers with?
Sure. I think moving support overseas optimizes cost. US-based support optimizes speed and accountability and the customer trust. So I think for mission critical systems, operators really need to be looking at where support based and look at things like domestic support options.
Thank you so much, John, for sharing your insights and being part of this conversation. And thank you to everyone who tuned in. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit tribalhub.com or connect with us on LinkedIn to continue this conversation and access more resources. We look forward to seeing you in our next Q&A. Thanks again for watching.